I never did a Space Marine before. Well, if you don't count the epic Lion versus Angron diorama that I created. So when a client approached me to paint Captain Titus, I jumped at the opportunity. He wanted the face to be painted beautifully, so I had to get in there deep. If you're new to the channel, my name is Adib. I've been in the collectible space for over 15 years. My goal is to show you how to paint almost anything using just primary colors and simple tools. If you're looking to get some customized models done for your collection, hit me up. Now let's get right to it, shall we? Man, under a magnified view, all the ugly blemishes show up. So if I see any scars and pimples, I clean them up. Always use a magnifier to check your work. Whether it's your phone camera or your DSLR live view or even a simple magnifying goggles. For the details of the base, I used dried coffee grounds and used clear drying glue to stick them in there. It seems to work well for this scale. And of course, all the colors that you see used for this project are using only the primary colors. Starting off with blue as the base color for the armor and black for all the other metallic areas. Once that is done, I use a general dry brush to highlight the edges. I actually used a high-res 3D render of Captain Titus as reference for this project. Remember kids, always start out by gathering references before you even touch the model. Real-life photo references are always the best. But in this case, obviously there are no real Space Marines to refer to, so I had to make do with a 3D render from the Space Marine 2 game. For the non-metallic metal, I start out by generally blocking out the highlights on the surface, using a lighter yellow color and then using a bronze color as a mid-tone to do the transition. Instead of using the same color to blend, this secondary color allows for a more unique transition between the highlights and shadows. I may be a noob to miniature painting, but my fundamentals in color theory and painting allows me to scam my way forward.
He just admitted it. He's a bloody scammer.
For the armor, I do the same to block out the highlights. Then I just go on to blending this transition between the base color and the highlight itself. I also do the reverse by creating some darker areas and transitioning the base color to it. Oh boy, when I eventually started painting the face, I wanted to end myself. This is the first time I'm painting a face at this scale. Don't tell that to my client. And the more I painted, the more I wanted to pull out my aging hairs. But again, thanks to the magnified view, it allowed me to add layers and layers of paint and eventually get there.
This idiot didn't record any of the footage for that, did he?
And finally, I added some washes to unify the colors and add a bit of contrast. The base was pretty simple. I added a base color and then a dry brush and then some washes to create the rubble. And that's it! Remember to slap that subscribe button if you found this useful. And if you need a custom model sculpted or painted, whether it's Warhammer, Mecha, or even anime, hit me up. So here he is, Captain Titus. What are you waiting for? Slap the shit out of that button!